Euro-USD price recovered at the beginning of the week but resumed the decline due to the geopolitical pressure. The pair bottomed at the 1.04 level in early October and showed a rebound, but the latest price action shows a different outlook by ending the week with a strong bearish candle. The weekly Euro-USD chart shows a strong bearish price action, where the pair remained stable below moving averages. The 100-week simple moving average, SMA, is at the 1.07 level, which could be the immediate level to test. Meanwhile, other technical indicators resumed their selling pressure, pushing the price towards the fresh one-year low. The price moved above the 1.06 static level in the daily chart but failed to maintain momentum. The downside pressure continued after having a strong bearish daily candle below the dynamic 20 EMA. Moreover, other technical indicators showed a downside pressure, indicating an oversold downside pressure. Based on the current weekly Euro-USD forecast, the next resistance level in this pair could be at the 1.06 level, which is below the 1.07 psychological threshold. The downside momentum is valid as long as the price trades below this resistance level. A bearish daily close below the 1.04 level could even lower the price towards the 1.03 price area.